Your laptop's dirtiest secret isn't under the keyboard, it's right under your fingertips. Hey GadInsider fam, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. That tiny trackpad you swipe, tap, and scroll on every day is a magnet for fingerprints, skin oils, and grime. Over time, it can even confuse your gestures, making your MacBook think you're clicking or swiping when you're not. But before you panic, here's the good news. Cleaning it is easier than you think, and you don't need fancy kits or a trip to the Apple Store. All it takes is a microfiber cloth and a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol or disinfecting wipes with similar alcohol content. Never spray directly on the trackpad. Apply the liquid to your cloth first. Gently wipe the surface, paying attention to the edges where dirt loves to hide. A folded piece of paper or business card can help lift out trapped grit. If stubborn debris refuses to budge, don't try to dig aggressively. Professional cleaning beats damaging your trackpad any day. Don't worry if your trackpad doesn't look factory fresh afterward, because years of scrolling and tapping naturally wear down the finish. What matters is removing dirt, keeping gestures smooth, and prolonging your laptop's performance. Think of it as a spa day for your MacBook. Experts recommend cleaning your trackpad every 6 months, though doing it every couple of months or whenever it looks glossy is fine. While you're at it, give your USB ports some love too. Remember, patience and a toothpick go a long way. Regular check keeps your laptop performing like new, even if it's seeing coffee spills, airplane trays, and countless food tables. A clean trackpad isn't just cosmetic, it's smart maintenance that keeps your tech at peak performance. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Is your new MacBook driving you nuts? Fix these 5 default settings now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. So you just got a shiny new MacBook and it's fast, sleek, and packed with M-series power. But wait, why does scrolling feel backwards? Why doesn't tapping the trackpad click? Why is your dock stuffed with apps you'll never touch? Relax, Apple isn't broken. These are just Mac OS defaults designed for, well, Apple fans. But if you're coming from Windows or even an older Mac, these quirks can drive you crazy. Here's how to fix it. First, stop natural scrolling. Swipe down and the page goes down? Nope. Mac does the opposite by default. Fix it in System Settings, then Trackpad, then Scroll and Zoom, and uncheck natural scrolling. Then enable Tap to Click. That satisfying force click haptic thing is fancy but slow. To click like a normal laptop, go to System Settings, Trackpad, point and click, and check Tap to click for instant speed boost. Your dock is cluttered with maps, podcasts, and suggested apps you'll never use. Go to System Settings, Desktop, and Dock. Remove the extras, switch Genie Effect to the faster scale effect, and pin only what matters. Finder hides file paths, extensions, and folder info. Make it actually useful by opening Finder, then View, then Show Path Bar and Status Bar, then Finder, Settings, Advanced, Show All File Name Extensions. Now you know what's where and what type it is. Sonoma's Click Wallpaper to reveal desktop is chaos if you're multitasking. Disable it in System Settings, Desktop and Dock, then Desktop and Stage Manager, and select Only in Stage Manager. Follow these 5 hacks and make your MacBook stop fighting you. For more updates, tips, and tricks, like this video, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. The best MacBook Pro laptop is a beautifully versatile machine, as capable of productivity tasks as editing videos. We're big fans of the Apple MacBook Pro. Apple's professional laptop line has smashed the benchmarks from speed tests to battery life. For most people, we find the MacBook Pro M4 will offer everything you need from a modern Apple laptop. It's compact, well-built, and beautifully designed. Running flawlessly, this highly portable model delivers incredible performance for a range of tasks, from productivity to content creation, while boasting one of the best screens you can find on a laptop, period. Even the older M1 chips offer outstanding experiences. We've created a full roundup for you. Each model featured has been extensively benchmarked by our team. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. The best MacBook Pro overall is the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the latest M4 series chips, which offers outstanding, best-in-class performance while getting fantastic battery life and features the best display of any MacBook ever. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch M2, the best MacBook Pro on a budget. While the 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2022 might not be as powerful as the newest 2024 14-inch or 16-inch models, it still packs a good performance punch, especially for its price and size. Apple MacBook MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Max, the best premium MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Max is Apple's most powerful, feature-rich, and largest MacBook Pro on the market. Expect staggeringly impressive performance using this one. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max, the best MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. Looking for an M3-powered MacBook Pro? This one comes equipped with the exceptional M3 Pro or M3 Max chip, delivering incredible performance and that gorgeous display too. The best MacBook Pro with M2 chip, Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. Early 2023 MacBook Pro 14-inch isn't as powerful as the M3 series models released later that same year, but it's still a fantastic performer that you'll really like and find on sale. The best entry-level MacBook Pro, Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M1. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with M1 Pro might be harder to find than newer models, but if you can find this powerhouse on clearance, it'll be well worth the effort. While the MacBook Air is a fantastic laptop, it really isn't geared for the highest level of creative professionals, so it might not have the memory, storage, and processing power that you'll need for the top-end creative workflows. If you need to do serious creative content work, or if you need a machine that will stand the test of time, and you're willing to invest a bit more than a MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro is the way to go. If this is the case, paired with the best monitors for MacBook Pro for the absolute in color fidelity, expanding your digital workspace to an even larger display. Just note how many displays your MacBook can natively push to, and grab one of the best docking stations to expand your ports and monitor capabilities. Finding the best MacBook Pro model year isn't as straightforward a question as it might seem. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with an M4 series chip is our top pick, but an M2 Max MacBook Pro is going to outperform an M3 or M3 Pro chip, even though these were released more recently. It all depends on your performance needs and your budget, since older models might be cheaper than current models while still giving you the level of performance you need. We're still seeing some people who are loving their M1 series MacBook Pros, and only now, with the release of the M4, are they even considering an upgrade. It's truly up to you and your needs, budget, and current deals going on. The MacBook Pro notoriously runs for quite some time, so don't feel like just because a new model dropped that your previous generation's gonna bite the dust anytime soon. The two key factors to keep in mind when choosing a MacBook Pro is price and performance. Since the designs and displays of each MacBook Pro on our list are similar enough that you won't find much difference there, only slight differences in design, port offering, transfer speeds, and specs. Apple is ready to shake up the budget laptop market with a new low-cost Mac, targeting students, casual users, and Chromebook fans looking for an upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Sources say that the budget Mac is already in early production with internal Apple testing underway, hinting that a launch could come in the first half of 2026. Unlike the premium MacBooks that we see, this new one's rumored to feature a smaller display and a lower-end LCD panel to keep costs down. But that doesn't mean subpar performance. Apple plans to power it with an A-series iPhone chip, which insiders claim will outperform the older M1 processor. The focus is on everyday tasks like web browsing, document work, light media editing, and even attracting potential iPad buyers who will still prefer a traditional laptop experience. Price will be the make or break factor. To truly compete with the Chromebooks and budget Windows laptops that are usually available for just a few $100s, Apple plans to price this under $1,000. That could put it in the $600 to $700 range that could lure buyers who've been long out of the Mac budget. This can be about timing too, as Microsoft is ending support for Windows 10 on older devices, forcing some users and businesses to consider upgrades. A budget Mac could swoop in as an attractive alternative, coming with Apple's reliability with a low price. Apple's traditionally known for premium products, but it could finally make Macs accessible to a wider audience. If the rumors are true, Apple's gearing up to prove that you don't need to break the bank to join the Mac world, and 2026 might be the year it happens. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think.